To add scenes to your OBS screen recording software, you'll come over here and you'll add display capture. What you do is you hit the plus sign and then you'll go to display capture. Display capture -2 because I already have one going so that you can see. You would say display capture. Capture method, automatic, always, because if you pick one of these, it's going to have itself a little moment and it's not going to work. The display you want to pick, I currently have 2 monitors. I have a View Edge monitor and I have an HP monitor. Today we're going to pick the HP monitor. And as you can see, it brings up the desktop that I'm currently on. You're going to hit OK. Now I don't actually currently need that, so I'm going to eliminate it. I just wanted to show you how to capture your display. Now, capturing your display is all well and good for the most part, unless, like me, you have maybe copyrighted material on your desktop background, or you have Discord notifications with sensitive information popping up here, or you don't want someone to see your tabs, or you don't want someone to see the icons that you have on the desktop back there. You can simply do this. You can go to Window Capture, and you can keep it Window Capture, but I like to specifically name mine so that later I know what I'm looking at. So we're going to call this the Google Chrome, not Goggle, excuse me, Google Chrome. Hit OK. We're going to select the new tab window that we have open. And as you can see, it's right there. If you want to capture the audio, it's in beta, so sometimes that works and sometimes that doesn't. I prefer to leave that off and just take in the audio source straight from my desktop. Whatever my desktop's putting out, I'll use that because I have all of my notification sounds muted anyway. So that's not really an issue for me. So you'll click OK. Now, currently, I don't actually need that because I have 2 of them. So let's just hide that. So let's say that you don't want to see all of this here. You just want to see this here in the window recording. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove all of these. You have them all invisible, not the display. You want your window open. And now you can see in the preview, this is what it looks like. And in what I'm actually recording, this is what we've got here. So what we're going to do is you can move these things around all you want to make it whatever size you want, or if you're lazy like me, you can simply go to Transform and then Fit to Screen. And ta-da! Now this will be the only thing that pops up when you hit Transition. I'll show you now. So now as you can see, after you hit Transition, the only thing displaying is in fact the window that I've selected. I'm going to go back and make sure that you can see everything now. Now as you can see, because I have both of these sources open, the entire monitor and the specific Google Chrome window, we've got a bit of a mess going on right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to disable the Google Chrome window, and you kind of can't see it, unfortunately. I've got a whole lot going on here. We're going to remove that transition, and now you can see what I've got going on. Everything before was hidden behind the big giant Google do. So, to sum up, if you would like, you can have an entire display capture open and you will have the entire monitor, or you could simply pick just that window, remove this one, transition, and there you have it.